Welcome back to our channel.
Overthinking can lead to increased stress and anxiety, but there are several techniques you can employ to break the cycle and promote a more balanced mindset. Here are 15 techniques to help you stop overthinking and relieve stress.
1. Mindfulness meditation.
Practice mindfulness meditation to bring your attention to the present moment. Focus on your breath and observe your thoughts without judgment.
2.
Deep breathing. Engage in deep breathing exercises to calm your nervous system. Inhale slowly through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale through your mouth.
3. Set time limits.
Allocate a specific amount of time to make decisions or analyze a situation.
Once the time is up, make a decision and move forward.
4.
Challenge negative thoughts.
Identify and challenge negative or irrational thoughts. Ask yourself if there is evidence to support your concerns and whether your thoughts are based on facts.
5. Gratitude practice.
Keep a gratitude journal to shift your focus to positive aspects of your life.
Regularly reflecting on what you're thankful for can help break negative thought patterns.
6.
Physical exercise.
Engage in regular physical activity to release built-up tension and reduce stress hormones.
Exercise is also known to improve mood and cognitive function.
7.
Problem-solving approach.
Instead of dwelling on problems, focus on finding solutions. Break down challenges into smaller, manageable steps and take action. 8.
Limit information intake.
Avoid information overload by limiting exposure to news and social media.
Constant exposure to negative information can contribute to overthinking.
9.
Establish a routine. Create a daily routine to provide structure and reduce uncertainty. Having a set schedule can help alleviate anxiety about the unknown. 10. Talk it out. Share your thoughts and concerns with a trusted friend or family member.
Sometimes, verbalizing your thoughts can provide clarity and perspective.
11. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself and acknowledge that everyone makes mistakes. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer to a friend. 12. Learn to say no.
Set boundaries and learn to say no when necessary.
Overcommitting can lead to stress and unnecessary worry.
13. Visualization techniques. Use visualization to imagine a positive outcome or picture yourself successfully handling a challenging situation. Visualization can help create a more optimistic mindset.
14. Focus on what you can control.
Concentrate on aspects of a situation that you can control and let go of those beyond your control.
This shift in focus can reduce feelings of helplessness.
15.
Seek professional help.
If overthinking becomes overwhelming and persistent, consider seeking the help of a mental health professional. Therapy can provide valuable tools and strategies for managing stress and anxiety.
Remember that breaking the habit of overthinking takes time and practice. Experiment with different techniques to find what works best for you, and be patient with yourself as you develop healthier thinking patterns.
Thank you so much for joining me today on our channel. If you have any thoughts, questions, or suggestions for future videos, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, take care